Disaster preparedness in 2026 is no longer optional. With escalating global instability and grid vulnerabilities, you must be ready to operate independently. Welcome back to the Prepper's Path. Today, we are breaking down the bare minimum essentials, 5 critical items that must be on your 2026 checklist. Number 1, a portable water filtration system. Access to clean water is your most critical survival factor. A portable filter like a LifeStraw or Sawyer Mini ensures your family can hydrate instantly from raw sources if the taps run dry. Number 2, trauma-level first aid. Basic plasters will not save a life. You need a comprehensive medical kit equipped for severe trauma. This must include a proper windlass tourniquet and hemostatic dressings like Celox to stop massive bleeding. Number 3, long-term freeze-dried foods. Build your caloric foundation with single-ingredient staples like freeze-dried ground beef in number 10 cans. This guarantees you have reliable, shelf-stable proteins that will last 25 to 30 years without refrigeration. Number 4, reliable off-grid communication. When the grid fails, staying informed is vital. You need a hand-crank weather radio at minimum, but ideally a satellite messenger to maintain map and GPS functions independent of local cell towers. Number 5, physical silver. When fiat currency fails or digital banking goes down, you still need a way to barter and preserve your purchasing power. Stockpiling physical silver coins or bars is the ultimate financial prep for true wealth preservation in a collapsed economy. Do not wait until it is too late. Start building a system your family can depend on. Hit subscribe and stay sharp.